Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Not sure exactly what's in here yet, but it was likely somebody responding to my wanted for review list, which I always post on the community tab on my channel. So thank you for that. We'll find out together. Thank you so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and some other benefits, there is, of course, a link down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's turn the exposure down just a bit. Those priority boxes are always super bright. Make a tactical incision. The day of the scalpel sharpening is coming. I just have to... It's not that some of you guys have seen my sharpening video, so... I can, whoops, ooh. I can put an edge back on a blade. I'm not a professional sharpener, but I can do it. It's just, I'm just being lazy. Or am I? I don't know. I'm not really sure what I was insinuating there. Okay, Spyderco and Spyderco. Now, if you've seen other unboxings on this channel, then you know that the packages are not necessarily indicative of what's inside. Let's find out. What do we have here? Oh. In this case, definitely not indicative of what's inside. This is my very first time handling a Microtech. This is a Halo 6. I will be linking, if I can find these, I will be linking them down in the description. This is a single action OTF, meaning that blade in there is charged, and when I push that button, it's going to fire it out the end. These knives are dangerous, and they are definitely illegal in a lot of places. So if you actually decide to order one, make sure that it's legal. This knife is illegal in so many places for so many reasons. I live in Kansas, so I can, like if this were mine, I could own it, I could carry it. Right? I'm not trying to flex or brag or anything. I'm just saying that's the benefit, on this channel, that's the benefit of living in Kansas, is I can actually take a look at this stuff. Let's go ahead and fire it. Here we go. This is a big moment. Ready? Oh my God, that is so powerful. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Wow. Okay, so the only other high-end, like this is a US manufactured OTF, Microtech. The only other single, oh my, I'm still recovering from that. Man, the recoil. The only other US high-end single-action OTF that I've ever handled was the ProTech Dark Angel. And I remember that thing being powerful and thinking, oh my goodness, this is so, this is dangerous. I couldn't imagine carrying this. This is substantially more powerful than that. Let's do the, okay, so there's a release. And then do you pull? Well, I really don't want to mess this up. How do you unlock it? Do I have to push the button? Okay. Oh my God, this thing is crazy. This is crazy. I have to do that again. Oh, what did I miss here? Is it locked in? Oh man, that thing is just ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Oh my goodness. Was there a note in here somewhere? Here, hang on. Hang on. There is a note. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. This is from @Amateur Knives on Instagram. Give him a follow. Amateur Knives, thank you so much for bringing me the joy. This is a Hellhound as well. Real quick, let me put this up against my Combat Troodon to give you guys my Combat Troodon is the biggest OTF that I own. And by the way, no, it does not fire nearly as powerful. Look at the size difference between these two. Oh my gosh. This thing is gigantic. My Combat Troodon is a little over 9 inches. God. Okay. The other knife that's in the pouch is, the Scarab. So this is actually the first time I've ever handled the Scarab as well. The Scarab is no longer available. This is, the Lightning OTF, the ever popular Lightning OTF was, I think, modeled almost exactly after this guy. Yeesh, wow. So if I remember correctly, that's actually a twin spring mechanism, making it one of, if not the most powerful double action OTFs in existence. And that first fire is very, wow, that thing fires so hard. both of these, man. Like, I've always said this. I've handled a lot of knockoff OTFs, a lot of Chinese OTFs, and some of the Chinese OTFs are kind of starting to come around, right? We're seeing some higher end materials and some of those things. None of them have ever stood up to the feeling that I have felt, you know, from a Microtech. It's just never the same thing. These are so much more powerful, and so my Combat True 9 doesn't feel anything like either of these. This is ultra high quality. Like, I mean, it's one of the highest quality OTFs I've ever felt, but now having felt that twin spring, or at least what I assume, I have to research that. This thing fires ridiculously hard, and this guy, let's do this again. That, God, this thing, oh, there is nothing, I have never experienced anything like that. That is absolutely wild. Oh my goodness. Wonderful. Amateur Knives, thank you so much for sending these knives. I've wanted to look at them for so long. I will be linking, this guy's gone, but I'll be linking the Halo 6 if I can find it. I don't know. At the time of this recording, I feel like they're probably not available unless you want to buy a custom, and they're very, these in their base form are very expensive, but a custom is much more expensive. In any case, I will link them and Microtech knives in general so you guys can take a look at what is actually available right now. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.